From bustling cities that never sleep to serene landscapes untouched by time, our planet is a treasure trove of wonders waiting to be explored. Have you ever dreamt of standing in the shadow of the Eiffel Tower or witnessing the sunrise over the majestic Taj Mahal? Join us on an unforgettable journey as we unveil 20 captivating destinations that deserve a spot on your travel bucket list for 2025. From the ancient ruins of Rome to the futuristic skyline of Tokyo, each place offers a unique tapestry of culture, history, and breathtaking beauty. Get ready to be inspired as we delve into the heart of these extraordinary destinations, providing you with insider tips and must-see attractions that will ignite your wanderlust and leave you yearning to book your next adventure. Paris, a city that needs no introduction, where romance blooms beneath the Eiffel Tower's glow. Enter a world of neon lights and ancient temples in Tokyo, a city that seamlessly blends tradition with the avant-garde. The city that never sleeps pulses with an irresistible energy, a melting pot of cultures and dreams. Journey through time in Rome, where the echoes of emperors and gladiators linger amongst the ruins of a glorious past. Bask in the sun-kissed shores of Sydney, where iconic architecture stands in harmony with the sparkling harbour. Nestled beneath the majestic Table Mountain, Cape Town captivates with its vibrant culture and breathtaking scenery. Let the rhythms of samba move you in Rio, a city renowned for its infectious energy and stunning coastline. From Buckingham Palace to the Houses of Parliament, London's royal heritage unfolds before your very eyes. Barcelona's whimsical architecture and vibrant street life are a feast for the senses, a testament to Gaudi's genius. Prepare to be dazzled by Dubai, a city that defies limits with its towering skyscrapers and man-made islands. Find peace and tranquility in Bali, an island paradise renowned for its spiritual essence and natural beauty. Perched atop volcanic cliffs, Santorini's whitewashed villages seem to tumble into the Aegean Sea. Vancouver's stunning natural backdrop, from snow-capped mountains to lush rainforests, will take your breath away. Immerse yourself in the sights, sounds, and aromas of Bangkok, a city that pulsates with life and wonder. Straddling two continents, Istanbul's rich history and architectural marvels tell tales of empires past. Lose yourself in the labyrinthine alleys of Marrakesh's souks, where the air hangs heavy with the scent of spices. Explore Amsterdam's charming canals by boat, discovering hidden courtyards and picturesque bridges along the way. Step back in time in Prague, where Gothic spires pierce the sky and a magical atmosphere permeates the air. Experience the electrifying energy of Hong Kong, a city where ancient traditions collide with modern marvels. From Hollywood glamour to world-class beaches, Los Angeles is a city that embodies the California dream. And there you have it, 20 incredible destinations that are sure to inspire your wanderlust for 2025. From the romantic streets of Paris to the vibrant culture of Rio de Janeiro, the world is your oyster, ready to be explored. Remember, every journey begins with a single step. So what are you waiting for? Start planning your next adventure today. To help you prepare for your travels, we've included a link in the video description below. Click on the link and you will find many essential travel products that will help you organize a happy trip for you and your family. Happy travels.